This Century 21 United Property video is presented by Lynda Pickler. Beauty and quality abounds in this gracious home with more storage than you'll ever need. Formal rooms are gracious yet comfortable, and the family room features a cozy fireplace and bookshelves galore. You'll also love the extra features such as laundry chute upstairs, large pantry, bookshelves, mudroom, storage room, walk-in attics from 2 of the upstairs bedrooms, and a huge partially finished attic/playroom/weight room above the garage. All this and beautiful landscaping in this convenient location. For more information, review the details below or contact Lynda Pickler at 870-535-3223.